So to avoid the disadvantage which will occur due to the precision diode which we learnt in the previous class, so we use another circuit which will do the operation of half wave rectification. That means it acts as a half wave rectifier. It acts as a half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier. So here the input is given to the inverting input terminal. So what we will get at the output? We will get a negative value at the output. So Vi is given to the inverting input terminal. That is the main difference we have to consider here. Now if this is given to negative terminal, then my output will be minus. My output will be minus. So minus to the minus terminal will make this diode to conduct. Will make this diode to conduct. So this diode will be shorted. This diode will be shorted. And if this is negative, then this also will become negative, and negative for this terminal will make this diode reverse biased. Will make this diode reverse biased. That means no output will come. That means no output will come. That means if my Vi is greater than 0, then I won't get any output. So what happens in this circuit? D1 will be shorted and D2 will be open. That means D1 on, D2 off. And we can observe one thing here, that here the output is 0, and because this is 0 due to virtual ground, this is also will be 0. That means this RF will be at the same potential. No current will flow through it. No current will flow through it. So if I am getting a current which is flowing in this direction, then I should get in this direction. That means if it is forward biased, the current should flow in this direction. So ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అవుతుంది, ఫార్వర్డ్ బయాస్ అవ్వబట్టి ఫ్లో అవుతుంది. ఫ్లో అవుతోంది అని అంటే ఆ కరెంట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచైనా రావాలి కదా. సో మై కరెంట్, ద సేమ్ కరెంట్ విల్ ఫ్లో ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఐ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఐ. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా సర్క్యూట్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. So what we can observe here, that during the positive half cycle, that is if Vi is greater than 0, no current will flow at the output. Understood? Next, if my Vi is less than 0, that means if my Vi is negative అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? So my output will be negative of negative. What will be my output? Whatever input I will give, inversion of that. If I give negative input, inversion of negative will give positive. So I will get a positive output here. So this positive output will make this diode to reverse biased. Will make this diode reverse biased and this diode forward biased. అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఓపెన్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓపెన్ అయిపోతే వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? దిస్ విల్ బి ఓపెన్డ్ అండ్ దిస్ సర్క్యూట్ విల్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ ఎ నార్మల్ ఇన్వర్టింగ్ op amp. Normal inverting op amp, and you will get some output at this point. So which output you will get? You will get positive output only. So due to the negative half cycle, I will get the positive output. Due to the negative half cycle, I will get the positive output. And the same thing will be repeated here. Positive half cycle, no output. For negative half cycle, I will get the positive output. So in this way, this half wave rectifier will work. And what happens here, if this diode is opened, still this will be connected. So there will be no saturation current, there will be no open loop operation in this circuit. So that is the reason this circuit can be used for the very high frequency operation. Mostly these type of circuits are used in communication systems. The next thing we are going to learn is the full wave rectifier.